I'm Darcy Berent with Sky Drones Incorporated. Sky Drones is a distributor for DJI AGRAS drones. So this is an example of the premier spray drone, the T50 DJI AGRAS spray drone. And so we sell these through our dealership network throughout the country of Canada. The two owners of Sky Drones actually are farmers. And so they grew up farming and loved the farm life and realized that as drones started to enter the market in North America, they realized it was something that was going to be essential for the future of farming. So that's really how it got started. And the reason why DJI was the drone that was chosen, or the company that was chosen, is because of their expertise. DJI has the most drones in the world. They're also the ones that pioneer AGRAS spraying, agriculture spraying, and so we're very excited to be able to work with them to know that we're offering the very best. So this is the flagship of the drones here in Canada, the DJI AGRAS T50. So it has a 40-liter spray tank. What's unique about the T50 that came out this past year is not only does it have 2 spray nozzles, which is typical with most drones, this actually has 4. So you can actually double the spraying capacity. It also has a granular dry spray tank, or dry tank, for spreading granular fertilizer, seeding, and things like that. Has multiple other applications that can be done. What makes it really unique is the fact that it has the dual prop systems. So with 16 propellers, gives incredible downwash to ensure that the coverage is very, very well done. So of course that is the big thing in Canada, limitations in being able to spray pesticides with drones. A lot of chemicals are approved in aerial techniques with planes and helicopters, but not drones as of yet. There are a few that are approved at the moment. However, we're anticipating in the near future for many more to be approved. So we're excited about that, and it's really at the mercy of those chemicals getting sent into the PMRA to get approved. So that is taking place now, so we're excited about that. However, there are many other things that the drones can be used for, and many other applications, whether it's seeding, fertilizing, there's a lot of other applications, feeding, ponds, fish, and other things using and fertilizing on golf courses, farms, so there's a lot of other applications that can be used. The average for a T50 operator can do approximately 40 acres per hour in coverage in spraying. And again, there's a lot of different factors depending on what you're spraying and how many gallons per minute and per acre and so forth. But that's typically what they're rated for. What makes them super unique as well is not just their ability to be able to spray efficiently. They don't cause any damage to the crops. There's no flattening of crops and so forth. But also the mapping abilities. So in order to do mapping of the fields with another smaller drone, you can actually create prescription maps which allow you to do variable rate spraying. So much less product is going down in the field, so more efficient in terms of its costs, but also the time frame. It can be done quickly. It can also operate 24 hours a day. So that's a huge thing. When the ground is wet, perhaps you can't go in with large equipment, or sometimes we think of, like with bees, we don't want to be applying things while bees are active, so you can actually work with the drones in the evening or nighttime as well. And training is essential. So as a distributor, we ensure that all of our dealers go through rigid training to prepare them to be able to understand the drones and give effective training to the end users. So we can offer training not only to our dealers, also to the farmers and users of the drones. We also encourage some training through a company called FlySmart in order for ones to get their advanced license, which is required to fly the big drones. So it's quite a simple process. It's not as complicated as ones may think, and so we help out with that entire process. So Sky Drones Inc., we are a distributor across the country of Canada, and we do have a number of dealers throughout the country. If you go onto our website, skydronesinc.com, mentions all of the things about companies to become a dealer, those that are interested, but also outlines where our dealers are across the country. So if ones are wanting to purchase a drone or get some training or need parts or warranty service, they can speak through ourselves or through one of our dealers.